Good afternoon, guys. This is Neil with Maysan Auto Sales LLC, located in Northeast Ohio in Cortland. Today I bring you 2001 Honda Accord. It's a four-cylinder vehicle, just over 120,000 miles, exactly 123. I'll show you guys on the dash. This is my first time buying a Honda, and first time buying a Honda to sell, to offer my customers. This vehicle qualifies for our new promotion, $500 over our cost. This is an out-of-state vehicle. This is a short video. It's a manual transmission, by the way. I haven't driven manual in about 20 plus years, and it was so easy to drive this one. The clutch is very good. It runs great. There's no check engine lights. I will show the bad thing about the car with my video and the good things. There's not a lot of bad things, but just it's minor stuff. This car came from out of Massachusetts, and I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. The first thing that you see on the car is got a few scuff marks right there. The tires need replaced. These tires are low on a tread, but they're holding their air. The wheels show their oxidization, the age. Yeah, the back wheels, the tires also need to be replaced. So it needs new tires. So there's a few scratches here. I want to try my best not to make sure the quality of my video is good. Little scratches there on the rear bumper. The Accord insignia is missing. This tire seems to be the best one, about 60%, 70%. And this is the most dramatic issue in the car. It's just this part of the bumper, front bumper, broke. This car was sold as a new trade. It did not have any structural damage. Structural damage means the suspension and frame, that's what I look at, are not compromised. This is a rust-free vehicle, and the silver, believe it or not, I didn't even detail or wash it, but I'm going to show you the good stuff now. One last bad thing here is the hairline fracture in the windshield. $200 will be replaced. Now let's start with the good stuff. Here we go. No rust, and look at the interior. The seats are almost brand new. If it wasn't for the mileage, the interior, the carpet, everything, the dash, it is actually in great shape for the age of the vehicle. Everything works, the electronics work, AC, heater, there's no leaks on the car, everything works great. Clean. Look at the back seat. Look how clean this is. And the sunroof is in working order. So headliners, I mean, look at this. Look how clean it is. I was really surprised when I got the car, because I thought it was gonna be, a little dirty, need some cleaning, but absolutely not. I haven't done anything to it. So, and there is no need to. The trunk is also, the mats are here. The trunk is in great shape. The factory spare is still brand new, never been used. Little cubby hole there. The tools here that comes with it from a factory. What a beautiful car. I mean, I'm serious. I bought my daughter a different car, but after driving this one, I know she can't drive manual, but after driving this car, I mean, it is really comfortable. The seats, the seat cushion, I mean, is very firm, and you're not gonna have an issue cleaning this car. I mean, it's really clean. I would said it 100 times, but from my experience in selling used cars, you rarely come across something like this that is very in mint condition inside. I mean, really, look at this. There's no rust, there's no issue, not dirt. The leather seats are in great shape. Let me see if the manuals are here. Yep, manuals are there. And Maryland, it was at one point, it was in Maryland, so we know that part. I might have the actual sticker, the factory sticker here. Yep, look at this. How often do you guys find this in a used vehicle? Wow, that gives you an idea what kind of owner owned this baby. So Out of factory, it was 26 miles per gallon in city, 32 miles per gallon highway. So I mean, how good, how it can't get better than this, you know what I'm saying? And it's not a hybrid. This is a V4. Check out the price. See the price? $22,990 factory price, sticker price. And for what I'm offering the car for, $500 over cost. Come on, guys, where can you find a deal like this? You know, I mean, mind you, it needs new tires. These tires are very small, so what you're talking about, $300-400, you know, installed. If you're interested in this vehicle, come on, take a look, test drive it. It's a manual transmission, so you have to be good, have an experience driving manual. So if you don't, you're probably gonna ruin the clutch and all this. So I'm not gonna allow that to happen. And this is a side sticker. We're gonna open the hood and show you guys what's inside. Just give me 1 second, put you on pause. Alright guys, this is the V4. Look at the engine bay. Absolutely nothing compromised from rust, nothing. Look how clean it is. The area over here, you know, there's no leaks. Engine is dry. No warning lights, I mean, no check engine lights, no nothing. I mean, it really runs good. And now I know from this experience, I know why Hondas and some foreign cars are very good at it. So I haven't even detailed this bay, and I'm not gonna do it because it's clean. Battery looks like new. So I'm gonna put my website in the description section and my phone numbers, but I'm gonna tell you what my phone number is here. The office is 330-333-5931. My cell phone is 773-255-9856, and it's Maysan Auto Sales LLC.com. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a nice, cheap transportation, reliable, very reliable, and you don't mind driving manual transmission, give me a call, email me, or text me, or even comment on the description here, and I will help you out, answer any questions. So aside from this part right here, the front bumper, you could probably grab that at any Pull-It junkyard or maybe something somewhere near you, but it really does not alter in any way the performance on the vehicle. And even with those low tires, it still runs great. It drives straight. There's no vibration, there's no rattling, there's nothing. So all right, look us up, stop by, call us. We do appointments only, so call us for an appointment. We'll get you behind the wheels here. The new promotion, $500 over cost, that applies. This vehicle qualifies for it. So until the next video, thank you so much, guys. God bless.